Look at our new yard. It's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot.
What the heck?
Our retaining wall blocks have arrived. They're the wrong color.
What color are they?
I'm just kidding, they're right. Hey everybody, welcome back. Good to see you again. This is episode 4 of the Backyard Transformation, and it is retaining wall weekend 1. You see the crew getting started on the base, the very first layer, which is the most important part. And we'll talk more and more in the next couple of episodes about how they built this retaining wall. It's very interesting, all of the science that goes into it. You may be wondering why I didn't build a retaining wall. You know, it's kind of big, and after watching several YouTube videos, I kind of figured out that I didn't want to tackle this thing because I needed heavy machinery, like you see in the picture, and a lot of people and a lot of knowledge to build a wall this size. Some of the things we did do to help the crew out is we rented this Bobcat for 4 weeks, and I've got a video showing my first time driving it. It's going to be pretty sweet. And that plate compactor right there is to compact all of that gravel. It locks together almost as firm as concrete. See the back, they're forming 2 tiers of walls. We couldn't just do one wall 9 feet up high right next to the creek. It would put too much weight on the ground. And my builder did not think that was the best idea with all of his experience building walls. So we're emptying that front yard of all of those blocks. We got these blocks from a local concrete company. They're licensed to produce Allen block. It's the classic Allen block. It's a hollow core block. We were going to go with a solid block, but our builder recommended these, and we were very pleased with how they look. They have a nice little bevel up at the top of the ridge of the block, and I'll get into those a little bit later too in the next episodes. So this is my buddy Ryan and his wife Jen just crushing it on the wall. This was a Friday, and they did amazing work here. Now this was kind of stressful for me because they were getting really fast at building this wall. After you lay that base layer, things go kind of quickly. You see them backfilling with dirt, and the only problem is I had to keep up with my work around the pool. I had to plumb jets and skimmers and things like that, and a deep end light, and so I had a couple stressful days keeping up with them. It was kind of a lot of work. All right, this is day 2 of the retaining wall, and Ryan and his wife Jen were crushing it today on this wall. They laid the base right here of the curve that's going to be coming around. This is actually going to be a patio eventually. Backfilled with stone base. They laid a couple rows over here, and it's starting to take shape. It's pretty awesome. I'm excited. They did an awesome job. The people who are doing this are phenomenal. They're great. So I even got out here and helped a little bit, thankfully. So we got our crushed stone, and then the dirt behind. So they did all this stuff today, everything that I'm walking on. Laid some of the drain tile in, stuff that you can't see. So they made great progress today. Today I set the skimmer in. Gonna set the jets in for them tomorrow because they're gonna be building this wall up to about the level of the pool right here. So they're gonna come back tomorrow and they're gonna crush it, I'm sure. So way to go. Retaining wall, day 2. Hey, if you like this episode, consider clicking the like button, and if you don't want to miss the next episode, you can click that red subscribe button in the box on the screen, and that will notify you whenever a new episode comes available. So we look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. I had fun with you today, and can't wait for that next episode. You take care of yourself, and we will catch you on the flip side. Peace out.